Yeah, I take it for the road. Yeah, I take a glass for the road. People change, you know how it go. Had to rearrange the digits on my phone. Feels like they want to take the source off of me.
I wanted to go ahead and start off with doing the easiest thing first. The first thing that we're going to do is create our DIY iPad wallpaper. The apps that we'll be using are going to be Pinterest and Canva. I wanted to go with a more fall look for my wallpaper, so you'll see me looking up leaves, October aesthetic, and things like that just to correspond with what month we're in. In order to download the photos from Pinterest onto your iPad, you're going to want to press on the picture and then click the three dots, and that's going to allow you to download the photo. Now I'm going to go ahead and look up more basic wallpapers. The basic wallpapers I'm going to use for the cover of my sticker book. You'll see later why I want a more basic wallpaper for the cover of my sticker book, because I'm going to be adding elements to that sticker book so I can add a logo and add text. Now I'm going to go ahead and open Canva. The dimensions for the iPad wallpaper are going to be 820 by 1180. It's going to be the same for the sticker book as well. Now, in order to get this grid look, we're going to go to Elements and type Grid. That's going to lead me to this page. You guys already know the routine. I've done this in previous videos, so this should be just a refresher for you guys. Find the one you like. You don't have to pick the one I chose. You can choose whatever one you want to choose. Here is where you get creative. So choose whatever grid you want for this. And as far as the pictures that you want, go to upload and then pick the pictures that you just downloaded from Pinterest and put them onto Canva. Here is where you'll see me moving the pictures around. Move it around as many times as you want. Get it to where you like it. This is going to be your wallpaper, so use your individuality and just do it the way you want to do it. Once you're done, go ahead and click the upload button. Once you do that, it's going to save it onto the iPad. Go to your photos and then put it as a wallpaper. This is a comment I received from my video, Digital Planning 101 Beginner Friendly. So I received this comment from one of my subscribers. Hey girl, hey, thank you for leaving me this comment. I wanted to respond to you and show you how to create a sticker book. First, we're going to start off with creating the cover. I'm actually going to do two different sticker book covers. So the first one is going to be gray, and then the second one is going to be like a splatter paint look. And I wanted to show you guys two different looks and how you can create this look. Elements is where I'm mostly going to be. So I added a circle for the center of the notebook, and then you'll also see me change the color. All you have to do is tap on your shape and change the color that way. Now with fonts, here is where you can have fun and show a little bit of your creative side. You can change the shape of the font, so I made mine curvy, and you can always go back and change it. Now I went ahead and added a picture to the inside of the circle. I added this YouTube logo, so I thought that was cute. And then you'll also see me add a text box and change the font on it as well. I'll mainly just be using the circles and the fonts to make it look fun. Here is the finished product. Now we're going to go ahead and go into GoodNotes so that we can get organized with our sticker book. Now I'm going to press on new once I get onto GoodNotes, and then press resend, and then that's going to lead me to this page. Go ahead and download the digital sticker purchase that you just bought from Etsy, and that's going to put it on the home page of the documents in GoodNotes. Now I'm just showing you guys what digital stickers that I bought. This is an old purchase, but for the sake of this video, I wanted to show you guys how to do it. Now I went ahead and combined them. I moved one sticker purchase to the other. All you do is press and it's gonna allow you to move one to the other. Bookmark each set of a different digital sticker purchase. That's gonna allow you to quickly find which sticker that you need. Now all you have to do is press the plus button at the top, and that's gonna allow you to add a blank page. Next, press the icon and then tap on your digital sticker cover that you just did in Canva and put it on the page. Make it big so that once you are done, it can be like nice and full on the page. Then I'm gonna go ahead and move the first page to the second page. All I did was copy and paste it on the page after the notebook cover that I created. And then you can delete the first page, and your digital stickers will still function and work how they're supposed to work. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to an aesthetically pleasing iPad home screen layout. So the first app I'm gonna be using, it's called Do. And the first thing that I'm gonna do in the Do app is add groups. So you're gonna see me adding groups. So 1 is gonna be daily tasks, 2 is gonna be YouTube, and 3 is gonna be self-care. And I like this app because you can differentiate the groups by color, so you can kind of like color code your task and group them together, group whatever task you want to do. So I like that aspect. You can also make a task reoccurring, so I like that aspect as well. And you'll see when I do it, all you have to do is swipe left on a task that you want, and that's going to allow you to press that reoccurring, but it looks like a repeat button. So you press the repeat button and then you put it to whatever days you want it to be. If you want to do it every day, you can do every day. If you want to do it to every weekend, you can do it every weekend. Or if you want to do specific days, you're able to do that as well. I'm going to try to wake up every day at 6 a.m. for the weekdays. So I put that, and then I'm also going to try to have spiritual time 3 times a week on Mondays, Thursdays, and Sundays. And I got this affirmation from a podcast I've been listening to called Balanced Black Girls. So I really like that podcast, and I'll be implementing that affirmation into the task list, and I'll put it to every day. And there's my list. I have my list, and I'm going to put it on the home screen later. But first, I'm going to go ahead and add my widgets. So I'm going to be adding all sizes of widgets. The first one I wanted to start off with, which was the easiest one, is the extra large. And you may have to play with it and play with pictures, insert the photo in there and see if it looks good. That's what I had to do. And once it didn't look right, I know I had to change it. So you may have to change the picture. So that's what I was doing here. I was seeing what looked good in the extra large like template. So I added this scripture. I thought that was nice. It fit really nicely in there. So I went ahead and added those two. And then you'll see me add the next set of widgets. For customized widgets, all you have to do is go on Pinterest, get the photos that you want, download it, save it onto the iPad, and then put it as a picture. So it's really easy, guys. All you have to do is go on Pinterest. Pinterest is your best friend when it comes to customization with the iPad. I use Pinterest for everything, as well as Canva. So yeah. So I'm just looking at things to get, looking at what I like and seeing what's going to work for me. And then I'll later go back into Widgetsmith and save it as get the picture that I downloaded from Pinterest and then save it as a widget. So the widgets I'm creating here are just for decoration. They're just gonna make my home screen look nice. But now I wanna go ahead and use some functional ones. I may or may not put all these on my home screen, but I at least want to show you guys how to create them and what's the title called. So you'll see if you scroll down in Widgetsmith, there's tons of like things you can do in titles or countdowns, sundial, sun path, date, times, everything. So there's a bunch of different stuff Here is a sundial. I just wanted to show you guys how to use it. You can change the font on it as well. All you have to do is click font. You can change the background, or if you do the paid version, you can do artwork as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and add another widget. So this is going to be a time widget. This is going to tell me the time in military time. For the text, I just put dream plan do, and then you'll see me change the font. Next, I'm going to start putting stuff actually on the home screen. So I've made my widgets, and now I'm going to go ahead and do the home screen layout. So in order to get the widgets on the home screen, all you have to do is long press on the home screen, and that's going to allow you to get the widget page, or the widget page. I think that's what it's called. And you just tap on the widget that you want according to the size, and boom, the widget is on there. Now, in order to edit the actual one that you want on there, wait till the screen is not wiggling, and then tap on the widget once, and it's going to say edit widget. And that's how you get the specified widget that you want on there. So now you'll just see me rearranging everything and taking things out of boxes so that all the apps can be seen and I don't have to press something twice. I mainly use my iPad for productivity. I don't use it for consumption or content consumption. I don't use it for that. I use it for work related and productivity. So that's how I like to keep my iPad, and I kind of like to keep it like that. So you'll see me rearranging everything and removing the app from the home screen. That doesn't necessarily mean I'm deleting the app. That just means I'm putting it in the app library, which is the last page of your home screen, which is not shown. So you'll just see me rearranging everything on the home screen. All right, so now I'm gonna go into my widgets and then click on the Do app, click on the largest one, and that's how I got this sheet of to-do list, and I love the way that looks, so I'm just gonna keep it there. So another thing that I love is the Pinterest widget. I love it because you're able to change it hourly or daily, however frequently you want to change it, and you can actually pick what board you want to be on the home screen, and you can pick that board from your account. So it's going to change hourly or however often you want it to change, and I thought that was really neat. So you'll see me messing around with it and picking which board I want. I thought that was cute, and I'll later change the dream plan do background. I didn't realize that it was on the wallpaper, so I changed it to a coffee color, and I thought that was really cute. So like I said, be creative and do what you want to do. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I love the way it turned out. I love the iced coffee look on the Dream Plan Do. That's probably my favorite widget, and I thought it was really nice. So let me know what you guys think. I want to see your guys' artwork as well, and let's talk about it in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. If you like content like this, give me a big thumbs up because that really helps my channel. See you guys in the next video.